Here's what happened on day 17 of the Diddy trial. Brianna Bongalon, Cassie's friend, continued her cross. One important development was that prosecutors said they would ask witnesses to read text messages aloud into the record so the media and public could hear instead of just showing them to jurors. The judge also asked the prosecution why the balcony incident was relevant, and prosecutor said, like I told Fox News yesterday, that it showed Diddy being violent with people other than Cassie, which helps prove force and coercion. Brianna admitted that she went to a Diddy concert and a private party after the balcony incident. The defense is arguing that Brianna continued to be friends with Cassie and be around Diddy after the incident, which means it didn't happen. The defense also cast doubt because Brianna said the incident happened on September 26, 2016, because of a picture of bruising from that date. But Diddy was performing in Newark on September 25th and staying at the Trump International Hotel on September 25th and 6th. On redirect, Brianna admitted she did not know the exact date. The prosecution then introduced a text message from Cassie to Christina Horam, Diddy's chief of staff, from September 30th, saying Diddy choked and dangled Brianna off the balcony. Whether it's drug use, bad memory, or just being poorly prepared, Brianna was not a good witness. She gave inconsistent and incorrect accounts of what happened, which hurt the prosecution's case. Then something big happened. Judge Subramanian told Diddy he would exclude him from the courtroom if he continued to interact with the jurors. Diddy was nodding to the jury twice during Brianna's testimony. He was previously nodding during George Kaplan's testimony. Enrique Santos took the stand next. He's a digital forensics expert. He examined Cassie's 3 cell phones and testified he recovered a lot of deleted messages. Then Jane testified under a pseudonym. She's a single mother who dated Diddy from 2021 until his arrest in 2024. They met in late 2020 in Miami at a yacht party. Diddy was charming and he swept her off her feet. Jane said she loved him and only wanted to be with him. But Diddy gave her drugs and started grooming her to have sex with other men. She initially agreed to please him, but that opened Pandora's box and she couldn't close it. She told him verbally and in writing that she did not want to have sex with other men, but another man was involved in 90% of their sexual encounters. This is important because the defense argued in their opening statement that Jane was a willing participant in the freak-offs. Diddy told her he would stop paying her rent if she stopped the hotel nights. They had hotel nights in Los Angeles, New York, Miami, and Turks and Caicos. Horam or Diddy's assistants would set up the travel. That's the interstate element of sex trafficking and prostitution, and the criminal enterprise for the racketeering count. Jane's testimony will continue tomorrow, and there was an incident where Jane tried to run out of her home. Diddy put her in a chokehold and kicked her while she was on the ground. The defense argues the fight was mutual combat.